Welcome in to the blockchain basement. We are powered by TooBit, and here today we bring you a TooBit tutorial to get you started on one of the most powerful trading platforms in the world to maximize your gains as we head into the crypto bull market. Let's get started. First off, thank you to everyone that subscribed to the channel here. We just broke 61,000 subscribers and it feels absolutely amazing. And if you want to keep up with all of our content, even the things that are too spicy for YouTube, consider becoming a member at the $5 basement OG level or another step deeper in the blockchain black site. Now, without further ado, let's take a look at TooBit, the exchange itself, to see all of these powerful tools that this program has brought to the people. Checking it out here, we go to the main toobit.com website, and the first and foremost thing you're going to want to do is create a profile, obviously, with your main email address and create a two-factor authentication system to make sure to keep your assets safe. Now, we go to the deposit area here, and this is where you're going to deposit your original input into the exchange to make sure that you have some dry powder ready to buy those tasty crypto dips. And we have something very special to roll out for the blockchain basement users that are clicking the link down in the description and using our referral code. Folks, you get a power up deposit where if you click the link down in the description below, we have 22 days left to do so. You can join as a blockchain basement member, and TooBit will give you a 10% rebate on your original deposit. That means if you put $2,000 in, you're going to get an extra $200 to move with. Time is running out, so make sure you take advantage of this special promotion that we have rolled out for our channel partner. Now, once you're into the exchange, I'm going to show you some of the features on the standard charting setup here. You click in from the home page. I'm going to go to trade, and I'm going to choose Bitcoin. Now, it brings you to the original chart setup here, but I like using indicators when I'm getting involved with trading or even buying spot. So what I'll do is go over to trading view, and this is where I can click on the indicators button right here and add all of my favorite indicators such as MACD. Let's just add that little bad boy and show you where it comes up down. I already had one on here, so we'll take this one off, delete pane. I like using the visible volume profile, so let's just click this bad boy right here. Now, something within the visible volume profile that I like doing is changing the settings and increasing the visible row sizes. I go up to about 170 personally, but that can be up to your discretion, and that will give you a much more precise view of the visible profile range. Now, beyond just your basic indicators, you can also go to depth, and this will give you the buys and sells that are actively happening on the exchange to get a good feel for how many buyers there are compared to sellers in the immediate moment. TooBit does allow you to use your credit card to purchase crypto as well. You can choose the amount of fiat you want to use and select the type of cryptocurrency you want to receive in exchange after connecting your credit card. Another very powerful tool is limit orders, where you select the asset and get the option for limit at the bottom. Here you add in the price and the size of the position in these bottom steps here. And then it's a waiting game. You wait for the price to come back down to your preferred entry point and the order will fill automatically. I use this method for my health on a shelf analysis. When I find a place of support for a coin, I will set my entry points at that level and be patient enough to get that moment in time for it to come. And as you can see with the recent Bitcoin pullback, there is plenty of volatility to be had in the markets, folks. Patience is key. Another very powerful offering from TooBit is their AI strategy recommendations. This is trading bots where they use the power of AI to determine market trends. You can get involved with using these trading bots and these trading setups in a 7 to 30 day time frame. And last but not least, you can take advantage of copy trading the top active traders on the platform, folks. On the exchange, you go to copy, then copy trading, and it'll bring you to this tab. Here you can get access to some of the top traders on the platform that are making massive moves. You can hop in here, check out their profile, and then determine if it is something that you want to get involved with. This user right here has put out a 92% ROI with a cumulative profit of $2,369. TooBit is one of the most expansive crypto exchanges to utilize all of the power of AI, copy trading, limit orders, and ease of access for users across the globe. They're a great channel partner here in the blockchain basement, and if you're looking to take advantage of these powerful tools, make sure to click the link down in the description and use our referral code to support the blockchain basement. Thank you for joining me today on this TooBit tutorial. I hope you found this information useful. If you have questions or comments, leave them them down below in the comments box, and we'll make sure to get back to every single one of you. Until next time, Drew out.